Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry. Today we're playing another round of Is It Worth It? With my favorite, Stretch Magic. Now this is a strong silicone cord. It retails for $8. And I recently had a conversation with a friend and she was like, why would you pay $8 for cord? Well, first we get 82 feet of it. And I'm going to show you exactly how many bracelets one roll makes. You guys ready to be bracelets? Yay, let's be bracelets! First tube, round 1, 9 bracelets. That's 6, 7, 8, 9. This was a necklace, now it's 9 bracelets. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, pick a tiger, kick a tiger in his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No, that's not right. Alright, crafty side note. Every time you open a new one of these tubes, I really hate throwing them away because they're plastic and they could be reused. So what I like to do is I like to add a little bit to what I call a soup tube. And sometimes I'll even cut them in half so that way I know to make another pattern with some of these beads. So try that. Mix and match your beads to make more color combinations. Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry, and we're checking in on our bead magic bracelets. Alright, so it doesn't even look like the roll has been dented yet. Just so we know where we are on string. Okay, so we're almost done with these blue ones. We had 9 dark blues, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then we move on to this mix. Yay, 20 bracelets. Hey, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry. It's time for another bracelet check-in, 25. Crafty side note, when you're tying these bracelets, there's an end where you're going to have to cut off, and that's your access piece. You want to make sure that these are as short as possible so you're not losing extra bracelets every time you cut off a string. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and now we're on to another color. Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry, and yeah, I've hit 40. I've broken these all into piles of 5. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I still have beads I'm working on this bracelet here. But here's the cord. We've just started to dent it about now. So stay tuned. How many bracelets can we get? Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry, and we are continuing on with Is It Worth It? The Stretch Magic bead bracelets. So last night we left off at 40. These are the 3 that were on the string. I'm going to do these beautiful silvers, these green and golds, some gold beads, and then we'll be back to do a check-in. How many bracelets does it make? Like for, I don't know. Just stay tuned. Silver bracelets, check. Green and gold, check. Moving on to these guys. Then these guys.
And these guys.
And then we'll count the bracelets. We'll count, right?
We'll count, right?
Hey everybody. So we are calling it quits for another day. This is where we are so far. So as you can see, we have significantly dented the string, but there's still a ton of it there. That's set up for tomorrow when I finish off these guys. But here's our 40 from yesterday. We'll do these in 2s. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5. 65 bracelets. Still a ton of string and beads to go. See you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry, and we are still counting bracelets. I took a small break Friday and Saturday because I had some family plans and things to do. But here we are. Here is our Stretch Magic roll. We are about 50% of the way in. There's our 65 bracelets from where we left off. So let's give this a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, 5. That's 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 87 bracelets. That's where we are as a Sunday night. I am going to do these before I go to bed. And I will update you guys in the morning when hopefully we cross that 100 bracelet line. Yay! 87 bracelets. Hey everybody, it's Stacy with Lacy Lou Crafts and Jewelry. And it's Monday morning. We are going to finish the bracelets today. Hi, is Mommy making bracelets? Alright, so here's where we are. Here's our 87 from yesterday. 88. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 bracelets. And I like to put the little leftover beads when you're making bracelets into what I call a dump tower. So I've emptied this pink and white crystalline mix from the dump tower. We're going to make a bunch of bracelets out of that. And then I will be back to tell you about crossing the 100 line. Woo! 100! Okay. Louis, 100! Hey everybody, it's Stacy, and guess what? We are at the end of the roll. Stay tuned for the final count. Okay, so there it is. 9 piles of 10, the 5 bracelets. 96, 97, 98, 99. There's our 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 124 bracelets. That's how much one roll of Stretch Magic made. Tomorrow I'll do a quick video about the math and the numbers, but thank you so much for tuning in. See you tomorrow.